In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on Hostinger Website Builder. Whether you're setting up an online store for the first time or looking to expand your existing offerings, getting your products online efficiently and effectively is crucial. Let's dive into the process and make sure you're ready to start selling in no time. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the Website Builder tool. Once you're there, take a moment to explore the dashboard if you're not already familiar with it. This is your command center, where you'll be managing everything related to your website, including product listings. Familiarizing yourself with this platform will make the entire process much smoother. Now, let's move on to actually adding a product. You'll begin by selecting the option for Products or Store from your dashboard. This section is specifically designed to organize everything related to your e-commerce business, from inventory to pricing. Here, you'll see an Add Product button, which is where we'll start. Click on that to open up the Product Details page. The Product Details page is where you'll input all the crucial information about what you're selling. Start with the product name. Choose something clear and descriptive to make sure customers can directly understand what it is that you're offering. Next, it's important to craft a compelling product description. This is your opportunity to highlight the unique features and benefits of your product, so take the time to make it engaging and informative. At this stage, you should add some high-quality images of your product. These images are critical, as they are often the first thing potential customers will see. To add images, simply click on the Upload or Add Image button and select the best photographs that showcase your product from every angle. Remember, good lighting and clear shots can make a big difference. Pricing is the next important consideration. In the designated area, set your price. Be sure to factor in costs, competitor pricing, and perceived value. If you offer any discounts or promotions, make sure to also include those here to attract more buyers. Don't forget about the categories and tags. Assigning categories helps with the organization of your store, making it easier for customers to navigate. Tags can assist with searching. Think of these as keywords that might be relevant for someone looking for your type of product. Once all the information is filled out, it's time to review everything for accuracy. Check your spelling, make sure the pricing is correct, and ensure that the images display beautifully. After you're satisfied with your product details, it's time to hit the Save or Publish button. This final step will make your product live on your website, ready for customers to discover and purchase. And there you have it. You've successfully added a product to your Hostinger website. With this know-how, you're well on your way to building a flourishing online store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!